Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond, and if you are new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And also at the end of this video, if you've enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like and comment. Okay, so for today's video, I have another wig review. This is my second time ordering from the Sensational Swiss Lace Wet Lace collection. Then I absolutely fell in love with the first wig that I got. I will link the video down below in the description box if you have not seen them yet. So here's the wig. I got her in the style Celeste and in the color MONEYPIECE Caramel. And I ordered this wig from the website Wig Types. That's where I typically get the majority of my synthetic wigs from. Okay, so with this wig, it's not one of their newer wigs, but I figured, I mean, I don't really care about that if it's a new or old wig. Okay, so we're just gonna go over the basics. Pretty much with the stock card, they just show you the specs of the wig. So their wet lace collection, basically it gives you like that illusion hairline. It comes pre-customized and everything. Let's see, and it's about a 3x6, so ear to ear parting space. This wig, it has a plethora of other colors that it comes in, which is a plus. So yeah, we're just gonna jump into it. So seeing the wig, it comes in this net, this hair net. Whenever I take it off, and then this little cardboard piece straight out of the box. This is what it's looking like. These waves are like beautiful. I love just like wavy, curly looking wigs. So this is what the front of it looks like, and it has that little strip of a platinum blonde, which I found really cute. Okay, so this is what the hairline looks like. If it's not, I'm trying to get it to focus, so you can see it's pretty. It's a really nice hairline. It has baby hairs on it, which is, I mean, a plus for me. I personally like baby hairs, so yeah. And then as I'm running my fingers through it, it's a little, just a tad bit tingly. But of course, like I said, with all my other synthetic wig videos, I mean, that's what is gonna happen with synthetic wigs. You should already expect that, that it has like a little bit of tingles in it. But the hair is really soft. The hair is super soft. So yeah, we're just gonna throw it on. Okay, so straight on out of the box, this is what it looks like. So I don't like this lace is like white. So I feel like it's gonna be leaving that like white shadow around the hairline, so obviously I'm gonna have to go in with my powder. But straight on, this is like what it looks like. Ooh. It's I always say this in all of my videos when I'm trying new wigs, like it's just, ooh, it's different. It's really different for me. Okay, before I cut the lace, I just wanted to show you guys the hairline on here, what it looks like. The hairlines on these be absolutely gorgeous. Like it just looks like a real professional, like Jonathan like made this wig, or Alonzo Arnold made this wig. That's why I love this collection, because they really do a good job. Sensational does a good job with customizing the hairline. Okay, so I'm just laying my baby hairs for a hot second. That took way longer than I would have liked it to. The hair just kept, like, it had pre-plucked baby hairs, but the longer hair pieces kept getting mixed in with the baby hairs when I was trying to cut it. So yeah, it took longer. But anyway, so one thing, okay, this wig is like really like white lace. I mean, not white, I don't know. It's just a lighter color lace that just doesn't automatically match my skin tone. So like always, I had to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 355 Coconut. And then it made it a little bit better, but I don't know. I feel like it still could be better, so I'll probably end up putting more powder on it. But I've seen someone use, I don't know if you guys ever heard of the Sally Hansen airbrush. Like, it was meant for legs, but I've seen someone put it on the wig. It's kind of like that wig tinting, lace tinting, but instead, I mean, that one's just for your legs, but I kind of wanted to get that already, so I was like, okay, maybe I could just use it for 2-in-1 since someone else used it for the purpose of lace tinting their wigs. So I actually might do that. I just haven't bought it yet. Okay guys, here she is. Okay, I'm trying to get the feels for it and everything. She is super freaking long, like has to be like 22 inches. Yeah, about like 22 inches on me. So this is a lot of hair, and already you can tell it's gonna get tangly. But let me try to brush it out a little bit so you guys can see. These curls are looking like very structured. I mean, like, you see, you hear that? It's already getting a little out wavy and everything. Okay, body. Yes, that's what I was needing. It's looking a little, I don't know. Okay, but this reminds me of Storm, you know, from Marvel's of the Marvel character. This little blonde little platinum piece, like, definitely giving me Storm vibes. I like it. I like it, and the hair is actually not black. It's actually it's a dark brown. So like in the lighting, it's probably gonna look a little more brown. But yeah, in this light, I don't know. It just got really dark outside fast, really quick. I think it might rain or something because it's not time for the sun to go down. So I'm trying to like hurry up and catch this lighting before it goes away. And you know, I'm the queen of not wanting to glue my wigs down because it's just such an extra process. Like, I just don't got no time. But I mean, this is the hairline. I can get up close so you guys can like really gonna go in and add a little more powder to that, because I can see that I can see the hairline piece where the parting is. But one thing I will say, when you glue it down, sometimes it blends in better with your skin. So I might end up just gluing it down. But I hate gluing down synthetic wigs too, because it's just like, you know, you just want to do as little to it as possible. But I'm just going to go in with more powder. Okay, I'm doing that. I'm gonna do it off camera. Whatever. But this is giving like vacation. Like, I cannot wait to be a vet. I'm like getting too excited, but this is the front. I feel like I need to keep brushing it out so it can like, but I'm not trying to do too much to it. You see, like, I don't want to do too much because, okay, yeah, I'm for sure gonna add some more baby hair so I can just cover up that flat. But I just want you guys to see like the hairline. Yeah, it's looking white, but I'm definitely, I didn't really add that much powder to the underneath, but I think, you know, once I cut some more baby hairs, it's gonna blend like, okay, let me see. It's gonna blend better. See, you guys can like see a little right there. See, I'm gonna focus on it. What do you guys think about Celeste? Is she giving bad or what? I love it. Let me turn around and show you guys what it looks like in the back. This wig came to $60, it was more so on the expensive side than the other synthetic wigs, or I guess yeah, than other synthetic wigs I've gotten, and also the one for this collection that I got, because the other one I got was Solana, and she was definitely a little less than this one. Also, I had to tighten the straps on this unit, so this wig is definitely big head friendly. Yeah, and I think that I feel like I definitely will end up gluing this wig down, because I just want it to look as realistic and professionally done as possible. And like I said, like I feel like you have more leeway like with like doing like a flip over, like kind of like effortless look when it's glued down, versus like having to worry about like the flaps flipping up. So I probably will end up just gluing it down. All right guys, so I pretty much said everything I could think of about Celeste. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this wig. Please also guys, do not forget to subscribe and also like and comment down below on this video, and I will be seeing you guys in my next vlog.